Okay guys, we have here from Amazon Prime, and it arrived early, the Tesla filters. When I said early, it was supposed to get here tomorrow Sunday, but today is Saturday. And these are not Tesla factory graded ones. However, I've been seeing reviews online. It's apparently doing its job because Tesla Model 3, anything, if you've been driving it for a year and a half, about 16 to 18 months, there's this like musky smell. And yeah, this is a video of us replacing the filter and making the musky smell go away. So take a look. It's pretty cool. There's green on this side, there's white on this side, and there's your two tabs over here. So let's scurry downstairs and let's take a look at how we replace the Tesla Model 3 filter. I'm about to install it, and a really cool thing is that it came with the Tesla Model 3 cabin filter guide as well, so that's super helpful. When you open it up here, you can see the specs. Air filters have been custom cut specifically for Model 3, made to prevent outside allergens and dust from entering your ride's air vents. Keeps the air that you breathe inside the cabin clean, and you can actually scan this for a UTOB video. Yep, you can definitely tell it's Tesla graded with the UTOB video. Okay, you got two filters, manual, and you got the steps 1 all the way to 14. So let's begin. So we gotta remove this. So the Model 3 filter, cabin air filter, is apparently over here. It's tucked inside right here. So we're gonna have to remove these screws somehow, but so there they are. So right here, I'm gonna take that one out. I'm gonna take that one out. Right there. Halfway first, and then wiggle, 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 pop, and it's out. Just like that. So grab the camera here. This here should be able to pop off now. Let's see what happens here.
Do it, or did you just break
There you
the
go.
car?
Yeah. Don't disconnect it. But now we have to remove the side panel here.
Oh, jeez.
Okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna detach these wires. So I detached the light wire already. And then we're gonna detach the second one here. This little one here doesn't seem like it wants to move. So it's just in case. And yeah.
What?
So what it looks like.
Can you go up? Yeah, okay. Torques? This says?
I need to get that, see?
Okay, we should have something pretty close to that.
It's a little like Mont Blanc star.
Right. So check the toolbox. So it's a good thing your girlfriend's a handy woman.
That's right. She had this.
Yay.
Okay, got the screws up. There. Cool. Now.
Kind of boot bridge to get back into.
There we go. Oh, got it. There we go. Oh, we're off. Okay. There it is. And then we got filter. Pretty lodged up in there, right?
Let's see how dirty it is. Can you smell it in here, guys?
Yeah, can you smell it?
not at this exact moment because the door's been open for a while. But like, I'm just saying, typically when
Where are
we
these
get in this
tabs?
lately.
There's like this tab I'm supposed to pull. That's, you wanna see? Is it recording? Okay, so there it is. Oh, there's a tab facing in. And oh man, I can't get the tab. Whew. So, because for some reason, so my model is a Tesla Model 3 2018 version. So I literally got it when it first came out. And for some reason, the air filter doesn't have those tabs. Like, if you look at these aftermarket ones, these little tabs here, right? So, by the way, green faces in, white faces out. So I use this flathead to pry it out. And it's gonna come out. Let's see how dirty it is. Okay, ready? This is what's been stinking up. Oh God. It is so damp, it's mucky.
Ew, yeah.
Yeah, it's gross. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's pretty dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great. Compared to the other one, the other one. Let's see this.
Ooh, that's dirty. Oh, look at that. There's a new one.
Ew, gross.
Yeah. So this is 18 months.
This one looks bigger than this one. Or is this one just like shriveled up because it's like
It's
you
just
sucked all the life
So
out
there's
of it.
one, and then I'll get the second one now. Put this in the garbage. Yeah, so there it is. They didn't flap it. You see? They flapped it backwards. But yeah, look how dirty it is, eh?
Pretty gross.
Pretty gross. Yeah, so these are the new ones. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the inside.
How long did you say it took to get them like this?
About 18 months. AC radiation thing, where actually it helps the musk and the dew. So we're gonna use the Armor All vent and duct cleaner. There it is. Okay. That is the vent. Then there's the air intake, and that's the vent with all the mucky stuff. Green's in. Green facing in, white facing out. Okay? Don't forget to put these tabs. Tesla forgot to tab it. So hard to get out. You gotta tab that. All right, let's do this. First one's in. Oh. Okay. Tab. Got the tab there. See that tab? So it'll be easier to pull out next time. See? Yeah. Look how easy it is. Tesla made it hard. Second one. So, second one, tab down. Okay? No, this way. Green.
Once you know, you know.
And they were both in. I'm gonna put this back up. Put the screw back in. we'll see you at the other side. Last thing here is Maguire's whole car air freshener. Okay, this here has 3 steps to it. Okay, first remove all the crap. Number 2, you have to, with your car's fan on high and the air recycle turned on, the odor eliminator mist will move throughout the cabin and ventilation ducting, removing odors as it goes. So I just doubled up on it in terms of spraying the inside. I'm gonna use this little balm because I just want to get the smell out. So we gotta leave the balm for 15 minutes and then 10 minutes with all the windows down to air it out. All right, so 3, 2, 1.